guys are with me learning on the go how to go with my GoPro. Good morning! I'm here at this marshland, and why would I be here? Well, this is the end station or the first station of the Orange MRT Line in Minburi. So this is the station OR29 and it's under construction. I like the style of these new stations. I mean, it's very futuristic. And here, this is the absolute end of the line. I made an update before about the Orange Line around the area of the Thai Cultural Center, and that's all underground. But here in Minburi, the train will be on an elevated track. Yeah, so it's early morning. The reason why I'm here so early is we just came back from Koh Chang and we rented the car, so I still had the car available, which I have to bring back this morning. And I thought, why not come and have a check in Minburi? As you can see, it's still fully under construction here. So at the moment they are constructing 17 stations, which is from here, from number 29 towards the Thai Cultural Center. So it's interesting to see how they do it. I'm not sure where the entrance is gonna be. But I guess there's gonna be walkways. So from here you have a different view of the station. I guess the entrances are gonna be here. And there's gonna be sky bridges. So the total length will be 35.9 kilometers, which is 22.3 miles. There will be 29 stations. But at the moment there are just 17 under construction, and that's a 21.2 kilometer stretch. So this is going to open up the whole Minburi area for public transport as well, which is good for the development. So this is the Yeak Rom Klao station, OR29, and OR stands for Orange and then number 29. So the OR28 is the Minburi Station, and the Minburi Station is going to connect with the Pink MRT Line as well. And let me go and bring you there. This is the OR28 Minburi Station, or Minburi. It's under construction, and here to the left it links with the Pink MRT Line. The Pink Line will be 34.5 kilometers long, or 21.4 miles. It will have 30 stations, and so it basically runs from here and connects with the Orange MRT Line all the way to the Minburi Civic Center, where it will connect with the purple MRT Line. Here we are at the location where the Pink MRT and the Orange MRT connect. So this is the Minburi Pink MRT station. I see that the clearance is very, very low. So I can also see that, as always, where you have transport links, there is new construction. So there's a big residential building under construction there. Yeah, from here you can take the Orange Line straight into town towards the Thai Cultural Center, and in the future it will pass Prattunam. You can basically go to Central World with this train, and this one, the Pink Line, will connect from here towards the Nonthaburi Civic Center, and it will pass the Red Line. It will go to the government complex. You can connect with the green BTS line. So this is going to be a major future transport hub. But as you can see now, it is, I don't want to be disrespectful, but it is in the middle of nowhere. So from here you have a better view of the Pink MRT station. There downstairs you have the entrance to the station. Interesting. Yeah, so here from the dash cam you have a better view of how the stations look. So this is the OR29. And then the next one over there is the OR28, the Min Buri Station. Just gonna follow the line. This is a lot easier than doing it on a bicycle, I can tell you. Yeah, the Orange Line looks quite futuristic, I think. I like the style of the construction of the stations. I'm interested to know how high the level is here if you come with a truck. It's like being in the belly of a whale. So as I'm testing out my GoPro, I just switched it over to 5.3K, and normally it's shooting on 4K. So let's see what the difference is gonna be. Okay, so you guys are with me, learning on the go how to go with my GoPro. So here, this is where the Orange MRT is going to go underground. And I'm in Ramkhamhaeng Road now. I think I already was in Ramkhamhaeng for a long time. I will just show you a little bit more where the underground line crosses with the yellow MRT, and that's where I'm gonna finish this video. So I just passed the plane graveyard, and I thought it was closed, but it's still open. So I will put a link to that one in here as well. And here we are getting towards the connection with the yellow MRT. So here, left to the front, you have the yellow MRT station, and you see the beam of the monorail in front. And here, this is in the Bangkok area. At this point, the Orange MRT line will connect with the yellow MRT. Okay. So I'm here on the elevated highway at Ramkhamhaeng Road, and I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Orange MRT line, and I hope you enjoy my footage with my new GoPro Hero 10. If you did like it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next